Well, July 5th, day after July 4th. How apropos, huh? Well, take a browse around the yard, see what's going on. Tobacco happening, looking very good. I didn't know that it vines. That's interesting. Elephant ear plant. These are getting big. Stray catnip for the cat. Pond looks nice and clear today. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got a pepper. Got some peppers. Quite a few. That's excellent. Basil doesn't like it back here very well though. Too wet. Yeah, trees super big. More tobacco. Rhubarb. Little cabbage. Hey, we got heads of broccoli. Look at that. The woodchuck didn't get them all after all. Looks like we're going to have some cucumbers. Got tassels on the corn. Look at that. Virtual cornfield back here. More peppers. The moonflower. This one only flowers at night. During the day it bundles all up like a morning glory. Yeah, corn's looking good. Grape evolution. This is looking good. We'll get quite a few this year. Well, I think I'll sit back down and try to keep cool. It's about 75, 76 degrees today. Sunny, of course. This is me saying over and out.